Yeah, I think let's tell you about the saws themselves, and then we can do a demonstration, right? So this is the compact table saw. We have three models that we're bringing to Europe: the compact, the job site, and then there's the professional cabinet saw. This is actually our newest model. We brought this out 3 or 4 years ago in the North American market, and we put a lot of effort into taking the same technology and putting it into a small form factor that's a one-man carry, right? So there's a grab handle here. You can see this is 32 kilos. So if your back is good enough, you can carry it. What we've done in this one is we looked at a lot of things that people like of other job site or portable saws, right? They like the rack and pinion fence. So this one has that rack and pinion fence. So it's locked down on both sides. You can do a precise adjustment there. People like this versus like a DeWalt because you have that really nice fitting there as well. So it's really secure. This one has a high-low fence. I can take this and have a low fence, lower it over here, and lower it even further, and I have a support for my workbox. So this one is a little bit of design in that, and this one is everything's built for portability and speed. So the first thing I show people is this. So straight out of the box, it comes on this on the card. Then I show them the other things that are built for speed, right? So this one is 1-turn elevation. And then if you're a job site professional, they're like, wow, super cool, right? So they like that one. And then you got the fence, you saw it, you put it away here. So this is stored safely away. And here, this is not a rack and pinion, so some people want it to be locked down on both sides. But then I show people that, okay, well if I put this down here exactly on 50 and I lock it down, it is still exactly on 50. And it's a good solid fence, especially where you need it here. Now, this is a demonstration, so I've got no blade guard on. I've got the blade ridiculously high, so please don't do this at home. But I just want you to see how fast it goes. I go a little bit faster than you normally would be woodworking, just because I want you to see what happens. Whoa! And you can see what's happened to the sausage, right? And then you can see. And then people like to come in, they like to see, if you compare it to the original, here is how it's happened, right? You can see that this whole aluminium brake has crumpled, and it's like a crumple zone in your car. It's designed to crumple, absorb the force. To give you an idea, a Formula 1 driver could react to something in 60 milliseconds, and this is less than 5. And so it's like 10 times faster than an airbag in your car, that we can stop it and detect it. So it's pretty incredible. And so we do a lot of demonstrations. You can pretty easily reset the system. It takes me maybe like 1 minute to reset it. You need to put in a new brake. And a brake is 90 euros. Right? But we actually can read the data in this. And so if it activates because it's touched your finger, people can take that brake out, they can send it to us, and then we'll send a new brake cartridge for free out to somebody. Hi, my name is Michael Davies. I'm the Managing Director of SawStop Europe. I'm really excited to be here at DICTUM. I've just done a demonstration with a sausage. If you've never seen it before, you've got to come and see it. We're going to be there at Lugna next week and doing demonstrations. But you can come and see all of these saws, get a demonstration from the guys at DICTUM, and come and check out the products. Thank you.